Sometimes I get so mad, it's not controlling. I might grab a bat, I don't know. Grab it. Shit that I can't let go. So just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll lay it on your face to make it go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm down. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I wasn't takes like I'm a poker hole. Joke's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any. Overdue, crack the whole heating up inside of me, blood so violently, things are trying me. Now it's finally time to see how it becomes a dynasty.
Düşman katledildi. Takım arkadaşın katledildi. Bir düşmanı katletti. 2'de 2.
Tanking.
Eliniz
Oh,
düşman katledildi. Seri katil.
get some my thoughts get so oh God, here goes.
Takımın kaplumbağayı
Shit that I can't let
katletti.
go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Susamış.
Solo kill.
Düşman katledildi.
Superb tanking.
Takım arkadaşın katledildi.
Come at me and you won't get any. Overdue, crack your whole heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Quite a heart in the family. Katledildi. 2'de 2.
Onları kesmemi bekle. Solo
katledildi.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. It's so bad, I'm like, that I don't know my rap.
Yargida.
So bad, I'm
2'de 2.
God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. Said some shit that I can't let go. So just stay tuned for the rest of the show. Needs change. 'Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. 'Cause enough is enough.
Takımın bir kule yıktı. Takım arkadaşın katledildi. 2'de 2.
Tanking.
Giga var.
Kuleniz yıkıldı.
Yargida.
Kuleniz saldırı altında.
I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any overdue. Grab your hold of two. Eat it up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me.
Katledildi. Kana
Now it's
susamış.
my time to see how the drama becomes a
kadar.
dynasty.
Giga var.
Oh God, adrenaline wasted.
Takımın bir kule yıktı. Takımın bir kule katledildi. Buraya kadar.
Taking. Triple kill.
Bir kule yıktı.
Oh God, here goes. I lost all faith in my head and my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go. So stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Takımın bir kule yıktı.
Ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something